Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Yamaha Wolverine X2. We've just installed some fun stuff on it. Wanted to show you a little bit about the install. This is the Yamaha full flip down windshield. We do love this windshield, especially for that guy that wants a ton of airflow and wants to be able to have some protection, yet flip it down and turn it into a half window. All you're gonna do is release these quick release clamps right here, one on each side. It's gonna fold down, and on the fender we've installed a spot where this rubber strap hooks down to. It does rest up here on the hood and then is tied down on the side, so it's not gonna sit there and flop on you when you're going down the trail. We've also installed the SSV WORKS Sound System on this. You can see the speakers there in the door and the head unit. And on a day like today, why wouldn't you want heated seats? All the way down as low, off, and high. And if you can run in high all day long, I'll be impressed. But there's for the driver and there's for the passenger. As you can see, once those heated seats are installed, you can't even tell that they're there. Especially when Kevin installs them. 435-427-3338. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. The Wolverine R-Spec X2. Of course, you got that dump bed. You do have some shock adjustment there. Of course, that bulletproof Yamaha motor. Some other highlights on this machine: 10-year belt warranty. Very nice, very nice. Does come with the standard 6-month warranty. That's gonna cover everything but your wear and tear items. No tires, brake pads, and traditionally belt. But again, you've got that 10-year belt warranty, and this machine is eligible for the Yamaha Lube Advantage warranty, which is gonna warranty that baby in there for 20 years, 5,000 hours, or 100,000 miles, whichever comes first. If you'd like more information, bigpinesports.com, or give us a call, 435-427-3338. Have a great snowy day, everybody. You know the Stricklands will.